Step into the future of digital continuity for effortless window management. Introducing the Vertiv Cybex Secure Multiviewer, a new KVM designed to meet the latest Common Criteria Protection Profile for Peripheral Sharing Devices version 4.0 and EAL4+. The new Cybex Secure Multiviewer provides streamlined window management capability while simultaneously observing and interacting with up to 16 computers on 2 displays. With multiple layout options including tile, scale, and picture-in-picture, the KVM display can be customized to fit your ideal workflow. When used with a new cursor navigation switching tool, users can easily switch between selected sources by holding down the control key and moving the cursor through screen borders. Audio, keyboard, and USB actively follow once switched. The Secure Multiviewer provides users with hassle-free universal video connector ports that support a mixture of DP, HDMI, and DVI-D connections without requiring adapters. The dedicated peripheral port, or DPP, on the 4 and 8-port models can be locked to any computer to ensure continuity while controlling another computer. Other key features include multicolored LED buttons for increased situational awareness and keyboard lock status indicators for enhanced multitasking. These features make the Multiviewer ideal for banking, finance, healthcare, and other commercial applications. In addition, the Multiviewer is designed for NIAP PP 4.0, making it the optimal solution for government and military use. The latest innovation in industry-leading secure KVMs, the Cybex Secure Multiviewer is the ideal solution for flexible and secure window management.